Tentnology's Marquee hex tent with its unique hexagonal footprint can be combined with other tents to create an unconventional space or erect it on its own. Before proceeding with installation, refer to the package list and familiarize yourself with all components included. Always wear appropriate safety equipment, including steel-toe boots and gloves. Ensure there are no overhanging impediments such as tree branches, buildings. Ensure that the ground is level before assembling the frame. Precision-engineered slip-fit parts attach easily and quickly. Attach the cross cables, then place a drop sheet over the entire structure. Distribute the tent membrane between each corner casting and smooth all 4 corner patches. And smooth all 4 corner patches using a tent tool for the last one. Be sure to attach a web strap to each corner casting. Install one leg and lift the entire structure and attach a footplate with a 2-inch load binder. Do the same to the adjacent leg. The structure will now be partially erect at an angle. Ensure that the mid-strap between corner castings is tightened to even the tension in the hexagonal membrane. Fit the pennant staff into the center pole, then insert into the membrane. Attach the flag to the pennant staff. Lifting the center pole will tension the fabric. Secure the cross cables into the base of the center pole by latching the linchpin. Attach the remaining 2 legs and footplates to completely lift the structure. Tighten the ratchet of each load binder and pull to tighten the rope ratchet to apply even tension. Check that each leg is straight using a plumb technique before anchoring footplates and web strapping. Bond 5.